I'm Sarah, and today I am going to show you the phone ringing. Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today I am going to be making a really simple throw together lunch for one, or even snack for the kids, after school snack. You will need a mug, a fairly, not a little piddly one, a decent sized one, because there's going to be water bubbling away in here. So what kind of a dork starts filming a macaroni cheese in a cup recipe without having any macaroni pasta in the pantry? I'm not going to go to the shops, I refuse. I do have some penny pasta. It will do, okay, it will do. Pasta is pasta, really. But, it would be much better with macaroni. So we want about 1/3 of a cup of macaroni. I'm going to heap it slightly. And 3/4 of a cup of water, just cold water. And then we want to put this in a microwave for about 3 minutes, give or take. Just, you want it to boil up and you want the pasta to be pretty much cooked. So it will vary depending on your microwave, so maybe just monitor it. But I find about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Okay, so I've just drained that pasta out. I put 4 tablespoons of milk and half a teaspoon of corn flour into here. So I'm going to put the pasta back in. Now it actually took about 4.5 minutes to cook that. I think just because of the type of pasta I'm using, it's not quite the type of macaroni I use, is usually a bit thinner than that penny pasta. So, and I'm also going to add about 4 tablespoons of cheese into here. I apologise if this video is a bit disjointed. I'm working with one camera. Normally I've got my over the bench set up, but one of my cameras broke. We're sorting out insurance. Anyway. Also, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper just to taste. No reason you couldn't add also the likes of ham, bit of tomato, chopped up spring onion would be beautiful. Going to pop this into microwave for a further 1 minute. Okay, look at that. Now again, I just had to give it an extra minute due to, the type of pasta I'm using. Look at that. That'll be so much better with nice little macaroni bits, but you get the idea. I did think I would make this a very simple little video just because of the one camera situation, so forgive me. Hopefully next time I do a cooking video I might be able to get the, get all the fancy angles and stuff I normally do. But in the meantime, that's not important. In the meantime, this is important. Hot. Oh yeah. That hits the spot. I mean, it's cheesy, it's creamy, it's macaroni, As I say, chop up some little bits of ham, put some little bits of spring onion or something like that in there. But yeah, that is dropped on the floor. But also, 10-second rule, right? That is so super yummy. I will link down below my full proper version of macaroni cheese, like if you're making it for a family like I normally do. But if you just need a quick fix, if the kids need an after school snack, if you just want to make something and you just got a hankering, you don't want to make a big meal for the family, give this a whirl. Hit the like button, hit subscribe down below if you haven't already, and we will catch you next week. Bye.